Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Capricorn, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have Burning Tower in reverse, 5 of stars and 7 of moons. So in your situation, guys, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are facing some unexpected troubles or obstacles, maybe in your work or in your personal life, and you are you are trying really hard, making a lot of efforts, but you are unable to overcome this difficult situation, guys. So you are feeling really worried, so lot of efforts you are putting in. Maybe you are requesting help from people, maybe friends or family, but however hard you are trying today, this situation is not being resolved, guys. So some troubles in your work situation, some difficulties, maybe things are not going as expected for you, guys, and maybe you have a lot of plans, or you were having a lot of plans for your future or for the way things should go today, and today it looks like the way things are going, it looks like all your plans are just in your dreams and your efforts have gone for a waste. So your hard work and your efforts are not paying off, and your expectations are not giving the results today, guys. And you need to understand that just having hopes on your dreams or just waiting for your dreams to unfold today and not being attentive of what is happening in your practical life is the reason for troubles today, guys. So you need to see what is truly happening in your life today. See your practical present situation, how things are going. Then make plans, then make the efforts, and that will be the right way to handle your situation. And if you are listening to someone today, it may be a mentor or a friend, whoever it is, and maybe you have made some decisions based on this person's suggestions. That may be again the reason for troubles you are seeing today. You need to assess your situation yourself, guys, and make a decision. You can ask people suggestions and guidance, but you should not listen to them blindly. You should be the one making your choice. So that again may be the reason for troubles you are seeing today in your life, guys, Capricorn. And you may deny that fact, you may deny that you are the one deciding and you have not listened to someone, but the truth is this person has decided something for you and you have blindly followed certain things, and that is the reason you are in this difficult situation today, guys. And maybe this failure is also necessary, guys, because there is something changing in your situation. You are this failure or difficulties you are seeing today is just burning yourself down, maybe changing the way you are today, changing the way you will be in your future, guys, Capricorn. So you can expect a positive change happening. But though this situation may be painful, difficult, it is necessary for that positive outcome in your situation, guys, Capricorn. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. That is the reading. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card, and we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card, and this is your first crystal and second crystal. So you can either choose the crystals or the cards. So before choosing, we will close our eyes, meditate for a few seconds, think about our situation that needs to be answered. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. I will keep this crystal and this card aside. So we will see what is the card for those who chose this card. Let's see what it is. It's an angel card, guys, and it is Archangel Raphael. So with this card, whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today, helping us out in this particular situation. So this angel stands for healing, guys, healing at all levels, healing mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and physically. And his healing light will ensure safety for us, safe travel, and guiding us and helping us, assisting us to reach our destination. So it may be a destination we may be reaching physically, or it may be a dream destination for ourselves, maybe the emotional growth that we have, vision for ourselves, or a spiritual growth that we have hopes for in our future. So whatever the destination is, this angel is here guiding us to have that potential and choosing a nurturing and a very healthy lifestyle for us to follow, so that it will increase our potential we have in our life, guys. And with this card, there is also that energy for you to heal yourself and help others also to heal in their situation. So whatever is beneficial for you and for the people around you or the people with you, to help them in their physical and spiritual growth. So you should go for those actions, and we will get that insight and clarity in our situation. So whatever needs to be done, that is what this angel is here guiding us today, guys. So maybe it is time we are maybe in a circumstance healing from something, maybe healing from an illness or healing from some emotional stress, and this angel is here guiding us today to get that clarity, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading with this card. So let's keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, we will see what is the card, and it says come to the edge. So with this card, guys, it just means that today it is the time for us to take that leap of faith in our situation, overcoming fear and accepting the risk that we are facing today in that circumstance. So in a relationship, sometimes we need to take a risk. So we often hide ourselves, protect ourselves, so we never reveal what we truly feel to that other person. But today maybe you need to take that risk yourself allow yourself to be truly seen. So what you are, you need to show it to that other person. So it is important for you to speak up, voice what you need, and say what you want, and only then this person will understand you, and you will be able to build an authentic relationship. So if you want a deep meaningful relationship, this is not the time for you to play it safe, but it is the time to take that leap of faith, take that one step towards truth, and reveal what you truly want to this other person. And you have to have courage in your heart, guys, and need not fear about what this person will think or what they will assume of you. So you have to just show them the truth, and you need not fear. The results will be amazing, and you will feel wonderful for having shown this person your true nature, your true feelings, and your true emotions. And this is the time for that. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the energy with this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.